Welcome to Cleaners Talk. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and review and test the Swiffer Power Mop. The first thing we're going to do is measure the mop dimensions. This will be 15 inches by 5 inches. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is test the sprayer. We'll see how far it sprays from the nozzle. As you can see here in this example, it sprays about 12 inches. The mop does come with 2 batteries. They're located in the back of the mop. As you can see here, you slide this up, turn it around. There's 2 AA batteries. Once you're done, go ahead and slide that back in. The mop does come with a cleaning solution bottle. This one holds 25 fluid ounces. It should last you about 2 to 3 months depending on your usage. Okay, let's go ahead and test the mop. The first item up to test is ketchup. The next item we will test is milk. The last item we have to test is baby food. Before I give this mop a final rating, I'd like to go over a few pros and cons. First, I'd like to go over cons. The sprayer only sprays 12 inches. While other spraying mops spray well above this, this one is on the smaller end on spraying. The mop pads need replacing. They're not reusable or washable. The cleaning solution only holds 25 fluid ounces. It's not reusable, and you will need to buy a new cleaning solution bottle once it's done. You cannot refill it. Now for the pros, it does have a larger mop surface area, which helps pick up larger messes. The mop pad is thicker, meaning that it's able to absorb liquids and thicker mess easily. It only requires 2 AA batteries. Overall, I give this mop 4 stars out of 5.